very important part of our life is eating. If the eating is good, everything is good. And if eating is not good, everything is not good. Eating is our life, but it is said that we are not living for eating. We are eating for living. Cooking is a science. Cooking is a philosophy. Like many philosophies, so there is, it's called Pak Shastra, like Yoga Vedanta, Advaitvada, Dvaitvada, Mimamsa, etc. All these 6 philosophy of India. Among them is called the Pak Shastra, and Pak Shastra philosophy is ordered in the Ayurveda chapter. Ayurveda is mostly for a nourishment according to the quality, the nature of the person. Vata, Pitta and Kapha, which connects to 3 qualities: Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. And Vak Shastra, the Pak Shastra, speaks about the quality, not the quantity. Quantity makes us ill according to the food, and quality makes us happy, healthy and long life.
Everybody, and as we have our program, we go now to the markets for shopping. Will take about 1.5 hours all in all. Then we come back and prepare some recipes. We will prepare khichdi.
We will have a rice pancake, which we also can make with moong dal. Very careful.
1-2 leaves a day.
Yeah, and it depends on the constitution also and the season outside. Everything we do has always underlined the constitution, age, and the season. Heard yesterday, it will be with rice and moong dal. So it will be made which everybody can eat, right from small children to old people, people who are suffering from any digestive problems, people who are been operated recently or undergoing any recovery, people who are feeling weakness due to some other disorder, they all can have this. I would be giving you a general formula. शङ्खं चक्रं जलौकां ददतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसत् चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवन प्रौढधावाग्निलीलं